More than 200,000 Canadians are diagnosed with cancer each year. But how does cancer start? All cancers begin in cells. Our bodies are made up of more than 100 million cells. Cells make up all of our organs, nerves, and tissues. Different types of cells in the body do different jobs, but they are basically similar. They all have a control center called a nucleus, with DNA containing thousands of genes. Genes are coded messages that tell each cell how to behave. Genes decide what sort of cell it will be, what it does, when it will divide, and when it will die. Normally, genes make sure that a cell grows and reproduces in a controlled way. They make sure that cells are produced only as they are needed to keep the body healthy. Cancer starts when changes occur in a gene of one cell or a small group of cells. This is called a mutation. Genes get damaged every day, and cells are usually very good at repairing them. But some mutations are left unrepaired and cause a cell to no longer understand its instructions and grow out of control. It usually takes multiple different mutations to turn a normal cell into a cancer cell, but it can happen. It can take a while for a damaged cell to grow and divide and form a tumor big enough to cause symptoms or show up on a scan. I should mention that not all tumors become cancerous. Non-cancerous tumors are multiplied cells that stay in one place and don't spread. The type of cancer that gets diagnosed depends on the area where cells first start to multiply out of control. If it starts in a blood cell, it can cause leukemia. If it starts in breast tissue, it can cause breast cancer. Mutations can happen by chance when a cell is dividing, or they can be caused by things coming from outside of the body, such as chemicals and tobacco smoke. Some people can inherit changes in genes that make it more likely for them to develop cancer, like the BRCA gene. Mutations can happen randomly, so there is no definitive way to prevent cancer from happening. But limiting your exposure to carcinogens, like cigarette smoke, can reduce your risk. For more information, go to cancer.ca.